We have several native wild plums and cherry trees, and this year they have had many webs of the eastern tent caterpillars. They are crawling everywhere around our house, and they have eaten lots of leaves on the trees. What can we do to get rid of eastern tent caterpillars? Thanks so much, Gail in Arlington, Tennessee. All right. So the old eastern tent caterpillar that you usually find in crotches, of your wild plums and cherry trees. So
they love cherry trees. They love cherry trees.
That's for sure. You see them every spring.
Mm-hmm.
Every spring, and you usually see them on the same tree. Believe it or not, every spring.
There are a lot of insecticides. I mean, I'm looking at the old Red Book, and there's probably 15 insecticides listed for eastern tent caterpillar, but I'm going to mention one thing that does the trick. BT.
BT, all right.
Bacillus thuringiensis,
right.
and the trade names Dipel, Javelin, there's several out there. The reason I like BT is, for one, it's not toxic.
Right,
safe. It's organic.
Right, naturally occurring soil bacterial.
And it causes those little eastern tent caterpillars to get a stomach ache and they die. You can put it in a hose-end sprayer and you can squirt it to the top of the tree, and you can get, and you don't have to worry about putting too much out because you're not going to hurt anything. So I'm not even going to list all of these insecticides because the DP, the Bacillus thuringiensis, will do the trick for you.
That will do the trick.
And get it out there as soon as you can. As soon as that little web forms, the little smaller caterpillars are easier to kill than the big ones. But no.
No, I'm glad you said, because I asked you to mention that. And something else too, if you can reach it though, grab a stick or pole or something, you can just tear the
open it up, birds and
the birds and parasitic wasps.
Yeah,
get in there and knock them out. For you.
You can do that.
So I would do that. I've known some people that actually prune out, maybe a limb here. I wouldn't,
you don't have to do that.
I'll just, if you can reach it, tear it, or if not,
And I've never seen eastern tent caterpillars kill a tree.
No.
They may completely defoliate one
not
almost,
defoliated.
but the trees, I've seen cherry trees completely defoliated, and they come right back. They put out new growth, new flesh growth, and there's only one generation of eastern tent caterpillars a year. So you get past that one generation, you're okay.
You'd be fine. Yeah, you'd be just fine. Yeah, again, early in the spring, but by that time, the tree has enough stored carbohydrates. It'll push out a little flush of leaves.
That's right.
It'll be fine. So there you have it, Miss Gail. And I usually have people to say, oh, they're just hanging out on those little silk threads, and they just look all disgusting. But they're easy to control.
And they, if you lean a hoe up against your house, when the mature caterpillar will crawl up and he'll get under that hoe handle and create this little, little cocoon type thing where he plans to spend the rest of his life.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.